Okay, so in this video we'll kind of calculate the power capacity, alright, and the cost of the power that you use. Alright, so this is in relevance to the page where you can talk about the cheaper stuff, right, over at this page. Alright, we talk about blind the wall supplies like those used in the laboratory can now be bought very cheaply, like £3 and up. Alright, and what are the causes, alright, what are the costs that yeah, what are the money lah. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking, but anyway, so for example, what is power capacity? Okay, so 1.5 volt battery, a double A battery, if you just think about it, alright, the power capacity is the volt, alright, multiplied by the ampere. If you still remember, VI is equals to power, alright, just the law. Alright, so I'm going to take the ampere. So what is my ampere? My ampere for the normal 1.5 volt is approximately about 2500 milliampere hour. Alright, the cost of this particular battery is smelly cao cao $1 lah. Okay, so this one is in terms of milliampere. If I were to change to ampere hour, so I'll have what? 1, 2, 3. I'll have 2.5 ampere hour. Okay, just switching of the SI unit only. So I have 2.5 ampere hour. Okay, so this thing over here will give you equals to 4 watts hour. So what does this mean, 4 watts hour? So we can use 4 watts, alright, for 1 hour. Or nonetheless, you can use 1 watt for 4 hours. Alright, so 1 watt times 4 hours will give you 4 watt hours. Alright, this is the meaning of that lah. So the variations you can also go and play with it. Alright, but at least for a 4 watt hour you get $1. I mean, you need to pay $1 if you were to go outside and buy and things like that. Alright, it's approximately $1. So if I'm not wrong, approximately in your household, alright, we often may be using about, or maybe in offices, alright, in other places, in shopping centers, whatever, for example, alright, monthly we talk about 100 watts hour, alright, the monthly power that they use, alright, maybe more than that, I don't know lah. Alright, if you talk about this, in this case, then 1000 divided by 4 is about $250. Alright, so for 1000 watts that you use, alright, per hour, you're gonna pay $250. Alright, so this means that you also need 250 AA battery to run. Alright, so if you have a system that is running at 1000 watts for 1 hour, then you're gonna pay $250, which is damn expensive. Alright, so therefore this is because in a sense that this thing over here, this $1 is a market price. Alright, it's something that you sell in the market, like your AA battery. Alright, so it's like an overrated price. However, if you're talking about just voltage, or just pure voltages without any wrapping or any branding and things like that, it may actually cost cheaper. Alright, and why am I talking about this is because just now in the previous video we talked about we have a main supply, correct? The main supply coming from here, and you're gonna supply the power to your household, right? You have a power supply unit, those switches all over here. This is your power supply unit. Alright, you can use your power supply unit, and then you'll supply all the power to your kitchen. Alright, this is your kitchen, your living room, your toilet, whatever, not toilet, I mean your household, your master bedroom, whatever. Alright, so this thing over here are all your for your PSU, your power supply unit. Alright, nonetheless, you can also power your kitchen appliances. You can power your washing machine, whatever. You can use the AA battery. You can use this one. So how many AA battery you're gonna use? You're gonna use a lot of AA battery, right? So 1 month approximately, you may kind of use about 1000 watts hour, for example. Alright, so if you were to use AA battery for 1 month, you're gonna pay $250, which is damn expensive. Alright, but comparatively, if you were to use this one, alright, then if you talk about your monthly bills, normally it's about $20 something only. Alright, so therefore comparatively you see the price difference. If you were to buy double battery compared to and compare it to the one that is applied to your house every time, is 10 times cheaper. Alright, so this is something that talk about money issues and talk about things that is not very often discussed, and I think that is pretty good to talk about right now. Alright, then at least in the whole sense, at least you got to know that the power capacity is calculated in this way. Alright, and the price and the cost, things like that. Alright, so see you in the battery. I don't know what I'm talking.